Hello friends, welcome to the Creative Geeks channel. In the quest of looking for new and cheaper forms of energy, human beings are taking their thinking to the next level. Credits go to the German company that is manufacturing the pumpkin vertical wind generators. These are very efficient, low noise and high power output wind generators. They can produce up to 600 watts at 12 volts and they come at a low cost of $600. They consist of a C-type shaped vertical propellers that are used to trap wind. The moving wind at a speed as low as 6.56 feet is used to rotate the propeller, hence the propellers are used to rotate the generators inside and then electric power is produced. People around the globe have already started installing these electric wind generators. Because they consume less space, they are cheaper and also produce more power, and this helps them to reduce their electric power bills. From gas stations to industrial park and domestic installations, these vertical wind generators have shown an improvement in the power use. You can also purchase yours now on Alibaba, eBay, Amazon, or any other e-commerce platform in areas around you. These vertical wind generators are so simple to install and easy to use. It will require only 30 minutes to install each component around the vertical generator. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more educational content and interesting videos. Bye bye.